Hi friends, welcome to Cooking with Mrs. Inarra, our Thanksgiving cooking. I'm so excited that you've joined me today. Before we begin, what do we always have to do? Wash our hands. So stop what you're doing, go to the sink and wash your hands with soap, or you might have some alcohol gel like I do. Get some and clean your hands really well, inside, out, between your fingers and your nails and your thumbs. Okay, so today we're making chocolate turtle apples. Are you ready? They're so yummy. Okay, what do we need? We need 2 apples. We need chocolate chips. We need some caramel. And see, I got just caramel candy that I'm gonna melt. And we need some walnuts and popsicle sticks. Okay, let's begin. So, what I think I'm going to do first, before I start cutting the apples, is I'm gonna melt my chocolate in the microwave, okay? So, stick it in the microwave, and let's start with 40 seconds and see how that goes. Okay, so I already started cutting one of my apples, but I wanna show you how to cut the other side. So you see how the apple, of course, is round here. So you want to cut off that little round part so it's just flat. So a little bit, you might want to ask your mom or dad or an adult that's with you to help you. So you want to take off this round part. You can eat it, I'll save it for later and then I'll eat it. So now it's flat. And then you want to measure about 1 finger and then cut that from the apple. Right? So you're gonna leave this part with the core aside. And here's the apple slice that you're gonna be using. But there was a microwave. Let me check on my chocolate. Oops, still needs a lot more. Okay, so I'm gonna do it for 1 minute. Okay, while it's doing that, each apple slice needs to have a popsicle stick in it, because it's gonna kind of be like a lollipop that you're gonna eat. So what you have to do is you get your popsicle stick and you want to go with kind of the thicker side or the bigger side. This one is still a little too round for me, so I'm going to push into this side. It's a little difficult. That's why I did this one first, to see how easy it was going to be. Not so easy. So you hold your apple, your hands are clean, so no problem, and you push in the popsicle stick. There we go. Push it in so that you can hold it like that. Okay, let me get my spoon. I forgot to get my 2 spoons out for when I melt the caramel and the chocolate. Let me see how the chocolate's going. Still needs a little more. Almost, oh, it's ready, it's ready. Here we go. Okay, so now chocolate is melted. And what we're going to do is, we need some wax paper. We're going to stretch out some wax paper. And we're going to put it right on the counter. That's what I'm going to do. It's all nice and clean. And that's where my apple is going to go, so that it doesn't stick to anything. So you get your apple and you stick it into the chocolate. So delicious. You might need a little help of the spoon to spread it all over, right? Both sides and around the red part too. Perfect. There we go. There's one, and we can let it dry right there. And then we'll do the second one. Okay, and help yourself out with your spoon because it's hot, the chocolate. Remember, make sure you have an adult help you if your microwave might get it too hot when you're taking it out. So spread the melted chocolate all over the apple. The smell of this chocolate, oh my gosh, it's making my mouth water. And I'll let that one dry there. Okay. So now I'm going to stick the caramel into the microwave as well so that it melts. And then we'll come back and we'll put the chopped walnuts on top, and then we'll drizzle the caramel on top. Oh my gosh, so delicious. I'll start with 20 seconds. While that's going, I'll come back, and now I want to put some walnuts on, as many as you want, or maybe you don't even want any on them. That's okay too. I'm gonna put some on both of mine because I'm a nutty Mrs. Inarra, and I love all types of nuts. There we go. So let's see how the caramel's doing. Needs just a little more. I'll put it for 10 more seconds. Okay, so now, move this out of the way. We have our apples here, and then I'll get my caramel out. It's already bubbling, and mix it up, and really fast, I'll just drizzle some caramel on top, as much as you can, or as much as you want. You can drizzle it all over. It's already getting hard, and see, it's just like, you can make a design if you want. You can put globs of it if you want. Actually, you know what I was thinking? Maybe it'll work better with a popsicle stick. So it kind of goes, shoo. See how it moves all around? And it will stick to the chocolate and the peanuts. And you'll have it all over. What's better than melted chocolate with melted caramel and some nuts? Delicious, right? And you can put it all over your apple, as much as you want. There we go. Perfect. Delicious. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how delicious it looks. Are you ready to eat this? I sure am. Don't forget, send me a picture of your chocolate turtle apple, and we can eat it together. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. You know that I miss and I love you. Lots of hugs and kisses. Stay safe. Bye, my friends.